Hey guys, it's Rata K coming at you with another video. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be opening my new phone that I recently got. And it's the phone I really wanted. So I am so excited. I am so happy. I am over the moon. I'm like, yes. I kind of look crusty. I look crusty right now. But it's okay because you just here to look at the phone, not to look at how I look. But I could have made an effort, but I didn't. But I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But anyway, so the phone that I got is an iPhone 8. Okay. Anyway, I got the iPhone 8. I know they're like the new ones, like the XR and all those other X's, but I'm not in love with them yet. I haven't fallen in love with them to a point where I want to get one. I'm still by the 7 Plus iPhone 8. The one I originally wanted was the 7 Plus, but I opted for the iPhone 8 because I feel like it's kind of the same thing. I don't know, but yeah. So we're gonna open it now, and I'm just gonna please open. So the kids making noise outside, please just ignore them. But anyway, so we just opened the cover. We just took the plastic out. So now, oh my gosh, they're making so much noise. So now I'm going to just open it up. Okay, and then we have this instruction thingy, but it comes with these stickers and stuff. Cute. And then oh my gosh, I really didn't see this, but the actual phone, I switched off the flash, okay, so that you guys can see the phone properly. But this is the phone. So this is the phone, and then I'm just gonna lift it up, and there we go. I got it in gold. There were other colors like sea gray and stuff like that. Sea gray, my favorite. I actually wanted to get it in gray, but then I was like, I'm gonna take a color that is not really my favorite. So I took this color. I actually like it. It actually feels nice. It's actually bigger than this one was the SE, so I mean I went up a size a little bit, but yeah. And then what's in here is earphones. Yeah, it's the earphones or whatever they call it, but the earphones, and then the charger, so basic things inside. But I also got a cover for the phone because I want it to be protected. So I got a cover like from Typo, like a really nice cover to like go with it. So maybe I can put that on right now. Yeah. I'm so not good at putting covers on, so this is gonna be like really awkward, but I'm almost done. How come this cover has a okay, never mind. Okay. This is really awkward. I think I'm gonna put this cover on off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys on camera. Okay, so I managed to cover the phone. So this is how it like looks. It looks really nice. I like it. It's really nice. It's like a mubbly kind of feel. I don't know. But yeah, that is it for this video. It was a really short video, just basically me opening my iPhone. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on any videos you guys would like to see me do. And yes, I did get a new hairstyle. It's really painful. I wanted to do like a video of like reviewing my hairstyle or whatever, but then I was like kind of lazy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I love you guys to the moon and back, and yeah, bye.